Smart contract is the thing in the market right now, and currently there are many smart contracts in the market. However, all these smart contracts have some fundamental problems. Few of them being flush out that happens in the system, and if your downline is upgraded to a higher level, you miss out the income from those downlines. Some smart contract program even passes ID to the upline after every third or fourth ID. Today I'm going to talk about a smart contract which tries to tackle all this problem in their program. Hello friends, my name is Namrita and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about a new generation smart contract program called the Tron Rush. During the pre-launch of this program, you can book your position with only 20 TRX, and for every direct referral, you can earn 1000 BitTorrent coin, and all the commission in this smart contract program will be paid in Tron coin or the TRX. They are also launching their own coin called the TRX coin, and unlike many other smart contract, their coin will be listed in the DeFi exchange JustSwap from the very first day of its launch. And the best part about this smart contract plan is that it at least tries to tackle the fundamental problems that I have discussed with you earlier. There is no flush out. Even the smaller slots are eligible to earn from the higher slots, meaning if your downline has a higher slot and you have a smaller slot, you will still earn income from that downline. And unlike many other smart contracts where every second or third ID gets passed on to the upline, here your direct referral remains your direct referral and in your network. So without much delay, let's get into the details of the program and understand the features of this program and the reason why you should start with it. In my Learn and Earn YouTube channel, I talk about online opportunities to earn money. If you are someone who is interested in making passive income online, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. The smart contract plan that I'm going to talk to you about today is Tron Rush. Here you get paid and rewarded with 3 strong coins. One is BitTorrent or BTT, which is tradable in 68 exchanges globally. Second is Tron coin or the TRX coin, which ranks 16 in coin market cap, and third is their own coin or the Tron Rush coin, which is called the TRS coin, which will be tradable in DeFi exchange. During the pre-launch, every direct referral that you make, you get 1000 BTT, and all commission compensation is paid in TRX, which is the Tron coin, and upon activation of your ID, you get 10 TRS coin, which is the Tron Rush coin. Now let's look at the Tron Rush coin highlights or the TRS coin. Number 1, first and foremost, it is listed at top DeFi exchange, which is JustSwap. It has a limited supply of 1 million coins. The first 100,000 participants will get the TRS coin. In the near future, this coin will also be available for staking. And you can also use TRS coin for buying coupons of top brands in 120 countries. And the future prediction of the value appreciation for TRS coin, they say, can go up to 100x, which is amazing. Now let's look at the TRS coin price forecast. Here in this chart you see that when there are 50 IDs in the system, 1 TRS coin will be equal to 0.10 TRX, and when there is 100 IDs in the system, 1 TRS or the Tron Rush coin will equal to 0.25 TRX. So likewise, when there is 1000 IDs in the system, 1 TRS coin will be equal to 7.50 TRX, which means the minimum price of TRS coin will be 7.5 TRX after 1000 ID in the smart contract. If you look at the Tron Rush strength here, it is a smart contract which is impossible to hack. The startup cost is very low, which is very low investment, which is only 500 TRX. It is an instant peer-to-peer transaction. There is no owner, no admin. It is a verified smart contract. The gas fee or the transaction fee is very low. It is a 100% decentralized and transparent platform. And the payout is from 2 smart contract compensation program, and you can also build a team globally. The other highlights of Tron Rush is it has 2 programs, which is Rush 1 and Rush 2. Rush 1 is the working uni level and Rush 2 is the non-working force metrics. The smaller slots are also eligible to receive income from higher slots from all levels and lines, which means that if your downline has a higher slot and you have a smaller slot, you will still earn from that downline with a higher slot. It will not get flushed out. You earn repeated commission from all your direct referrals in both Rush 1 and Rush 2. You get paid from all levels in Rush 1 and all 10 lines in Rush 2 without any conditions. No direct referral is required to earn TRX in Rush 2. And there is also a global community fund to reward and recognize you for your hard work. There's a global spillover and overflow in Rush 2, which means that if you are not working in Rush 2, the system will automatically fill your metrics through its global spillover. And during the pre-launch, you also get 1000 BTT for every referral, every direct referral that you make into the system, and one-time bonus of 10 TRS coin for ID activation. Most important one being the gas fee or the transaction fee is very low. The transaction is super fast, and if you want to know more about why Tron blockchain, they have given many reasons over here. You can look at it and read for yourself. Now we come to the registration. During the registration, that is after the pre-launch. So now during the pre-launch, you book your position with only 20 TRX and you get 1000 BTT for every direct referral that you make during the pre-launch, and also one-time bonus of 10 TRS coin when you activate your ID. And remember, all the commission that is paid in this program is through TRX coin. So when you register your ID, when you register yourself in this program with 500 TRX, your ID is automatically and simultaneously placed in Rush 1 and Rush 2, which means that upon activation with 500 TRX, every user will be placed in Rush 1 and Rush 2 with the same ID simultaneously. So in Rush 1, 250 TRX will be divided and 250 TRX will be divided in Rush 2. Now here, this is the Rush 1 or the Unilevel working program. In the Unilevel working program, you can refer unlimited partner directly under you and they become your first level. There is a 60% direct referral income in Rush 1. There's no flush out and you earn from all slots of the direct and indirect referral from 10 levels, like I've already explained. Smaller slots are also eligible to receive income from higher slots from all levels, like I've already explained. If you're downline has a higher slot and you have a smaller slot, you will still earn income from that downline. There's no pass on to others. Here you will see the distribution of commission in Rush 1, which is the Unilevel working program, up to 10 level. The distribution is 60-10. In first level, 60% commission. Second, it's 10% commission. Third, fourth, fifth, and sixth is 5%. Seventh level gets 4%. Eighth, 3%. Ninth, 2%. And 10th, 1%. And 50% of every slot goes to Global Community Fund for reward and recognition. You can refer unlimited partners in this Unilevel working program and you get a repeated commission from every slot. So every time your downline upgrades the slot, you get a repeated commission. So in level 1, if your direct referral upgrades to slot 2, 3, 4, you get a 60% commission from your direct referral every time, also from other slots. And the advisable slots to buy is slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, slot 4 and slot 5. Here, this is the Rush 2 2x10 force metrics non-working program. Here the same ID that is placed in Rush 1 is placed in Rush 2 as well. It is an auto-filling force metrics. You do not require any direct referral to earn TRX in Rush 2 program. There is a metrics of 246 partners in 10 lines and there is a 10% repeated commission which is paid separately for every slot purchased by direct referrals in Rush 2, which means that a direct referral in any of the lines, and when they upgrade this slot, you get a 10% commission paid out. And 9% commission from every slot goes up to 10 upline in the metrics. And your smaller slots are also eligible to earn TRX from higher slots of your downline. We have already discussed this point. There is no flush out and there is no passing on to others. Here again, this is basically a distribution of the commission in your 10 line metrics, which is a 9% commission which is paid out up to 10 lines. So in Rush 2, if you look at here, 15% of every slot will go to a global community fund, which is for reward and recognition. And here too, the advisable slots that you need to upgrade or buy is slot 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, the advisable slot. And 9% of course of every slot goes up to 10 upline in the metrics. Here what you need to look at is the slots. Here they have shown the slot of slot 1 to slot 20. So if you look at slot 1 with 250 TRX, which is automatically activated at the time you activate your ID with 500 TRX, your earning capacity is 750. From there is a 10% direct referral commission, which is 21.25 TRX, and 9% payout, which is 19.125. So if you look at slot 2, which you will purchase with 600 TRX, your earning capacity will increase to 1800 TRX. The direct 10% commission is 51 and 45.9 is the 9% payout. So the direct 10% commission is for all the direct referrals that you have made. The global community fund that we've been talking about, basically the 15% which is deducted from every slot of Rush 1 and Rush 2 goes towards this global community fund, and this fund is utilized to reward and recognize your hard work. It is also used for the expansion of the Tronrush community through social media. So in social media they have YouTube videos or YouTube channels. If you are a YouTuber, if you make a YouTube video in your channel, you will get 1000 TRX. Your channel must have a minimum of 1000 subscribers. Your Facebook promotion, which have a minimum 50,000 members, you get 1000 TRX for putting up banners and promoting Tronrush through referral links. If you have a WhatsApp group with a minimum of 200 members, with unique 200 members, you must remember that it should not be any duplicate members, 200 unique member group, and you're promoting Tronrush, you get 100 TRX for every WhatsApp group with 200 members. And they also have direct referral rewards in TRX on an everyday basis. So if you refer 10 directs in a single day, you get 200 TRX. If you refer 20 directs in a single day, you get 500 TRX. And if you look at this diagram, you also get up to 50,000 TRX if you're referring 1000 direct in 4 days. These are basically the terms and definitions that is used in the program. The levels that we're talking about in Rush 1 are the lines in the working plan, which is the Rush 1, which is level 1 to 10. Direct referral is anyone who registers with your direct link. The lines are the 2x10 metrics line in non-working program. Autofilling is only for Rush 2. The system will fill the 2x10 metrics up top to bottom and left to right automatically. Rush 1 is the uni-level working plan. Rush 2 is the autofill force metrics non-working program. The slots again are different earning capacity. As and when you upgrade your different slots, your earning capacity also increases. The spillover again is only for Rush 2 and it refers to the ability of your upline to place new downlines under you. To register with Tronrush, you need a Tron wallet. You can use Tron Link Pro for Android and Chrome browser. You can also use Tron Wallet for iOS and Android. However, I would highly recommend that you use Tron Link Pro since it has got some additional wonderful features. For support system, they have Zoom presentation every day and also online training and education for leadership sessions and mindset. You can also join the Telegram official group and Telegram official channel. You can follow them on Twitter, you can follow them on Facebook, and you can also go to their tronrush.io, their website. And if you need any support, any explanation, any further support, you can contact me in my number or join my WhatsApp group that's mentioned below. I will be more than happy to help you. And if you think you found some value from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and also share it. Thank you.